Hello, vintage hi-fi lovers. On the menu today, the repair and the restoration of the Luxman L10. This integrated amplifier was produced in the beginning of the 80s and is outputting approximately 55 watts per channel into 8 ohms. The design of this amplifier is fantastic. It's a dual mono construction, so there is two toroidal transformer powering the two sides, left and the right, through the filter capacitors.
If I had a boat, I would sail you, hold you in my arms, ask you to be true.
Well, I really believe that this beautiful Luxman deserves a good restoration, so I'm planning to change all the electrolytic capacitors from the two driver board, the power supply, and also the filter caps. And as well, I will check all the semiconductors, including the transistors, diode, etc. But before doing so, I need to highlight a very important point. The Luxman L10 keeps the full plus minus 45 volt in the filter caps. I am using a 100 ohm resistance to discharge the big capacitors and to make sure that the amplifier is safe for service.
I knew that could be a sound of the future, but I didn't realize how much the impact would be. My name is Giovanni Giorgio, but everybody calls me Giorgio.
I hope that you enjoy the restoration of this fantastic Luxman L10. I'm still learning to appreciate its sonics, but it's a fantastically sounding amplifier. I think I'm going to enjoy thoroughly listening to jazz, listening to instrumental music with this amplifier. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.